Want your art to go viral, but not sure where to start? Let's talk about how to unlock virality with your short art videos so you can get your creativity seen by thousands. First, it all comes down to making videos that actually connect with your audience. Think about what your followers love, what inspires them, or even what challenges they face as fellow creatives. When your art feels relatable, people are way more likely to watch, like, and share. Now, in the world of short videos, visuals are everything. Use bold colors, high contrast, and unexpected angles to grab attention right from the first second. Remember, you only have a few moments to stop someone from scrolling past, so make those moments count with eye-catching art. Storytelling is another secret weapon. Even in a 15-second clip, you can show the why behind your piece, a quick before and after, or a creative process that keeps viewers hooked. People remember stories, not just pictures. Don't forget to jump on trending hashtags and challenges. If there's an art trend blowing up, add your unique twist and use the right hashtags to help your video reach a wider audience. It's a simple way to get discovered by people who might love your style. Collaboration is powerful too. Team up with other artists or creators to cross-promote each other's work. You'll both reach new followers and maybe even spark fresh inspiration. Finally, timing and consistency matter. Post when your audience is most active and stick to a regular schedule to keep them coming back for more. If you're ready to take your art videos further, Media Mister can help you grow your social presence organically. Give it a look. You might be surprised how quickly your audience grows when you combine great content with the right support.